Welcome to haslipcycleworks. Some of the parts for our project mini quad that I ordered have arrived, so let's get to it. Alright, so before we go trying to add the engine plate to this and bolting the motor in, I kind of foresee some issues with the clutch and the sprocket alignment. If I'm going to have any problems with that, I want to go ahead and take care of that first. So first order of business is to get this old sprocket off and make sure that the sprocket adapter that I purchased will line up with this bolt pattern. If not, we'll have to modify the sprocket adapter. The factory sprocket adapter, fingers crossed, and yeah, no such luck. So what we may have to do is center these, mark it, and drill it to match the bolt pattern. So what I'm going to attempt to do is using this cone, just a tapered steel cone, use that and see if I can't line these up. I don't know, it may not work, but we'll give it a go. Looks like that might work. I think we got it. What I've done is taken this off the axle. I'm going to flip it the other way so it'll push the sprocket adapter out just a little bit more. .71/2 sprocket for a 35 series chain bolted on. Almost looks too nice for this thing. This is definitely bigger than the stock size, but we've got what I think is plenty of ground clearance. Check our chain alignment between the two sprockets. I temporarily bolted the engine to the engine plate. It's not tight, just has the fasteners in it. And put the clutch on the motor, and I clamped a straight edge to the sprocket with a couple clamps, and that's running down the bike. So I did run into a little bit of an issue with the chain and the whole sprocket situation. So what I did to alleviate the issue, and the issue was the chain was actually dragging on the chassis, I created a little spring tensioner. Real simple, just some plate, couple bolts and nuts, a spring, and a skateboard wheel. We'll run it, we'll see how it does. Hopefully it works. If not, we'll just come up with something else. I'm going to throw the gas tank on, the brake, and throttle. How to order an air filter and air filter kit. So that's on the way. So unfortunately, that's it for this one. Waiting on that intake kit to come in. And I've got some parts, I think I can make a header, but I don't have a muffler for it. So we'll have to figure something out for that later on. I really just want to get the thing running and tearing up the yard. So that's going to be it for this one until we get those parts in. Until next time, guys, get up, get out there, and do it.